Who is the owner of Deel? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the owner of Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps companies hire and manage remote employees. It's a rapidly growing company that has raised over $100 million in venture capital funding. So, who is the owner of Deel? The owner of Deel is Shmulik Fishman. He is an Israeli entrepreneur who founded Deel in 2019. Fishman has a long history of founding and running successful tech companies. Prior to Deel, he founded and led several other companies, including Wix.com and GetAccept. Fishman is a passionate advocate for remote work. He believes that remote work is the future of work, and that it allows companies to access the best talent from all over the world. Deel is a fast-growing company with a bright future. Fishman's leadership has been instrumental in Deel's success, and he is expected to continue to lead the company for many years to come. Additional information: Deel is headquartered in Tel Aviv, Israel. Deel has over 4,000 customers in more than 150 countries. Deel has raised over $100 million in venture capital funding. Deel is one of the fastest-growing companies in the world. Deel is a leading provider of payroll and HR services for remote employees. So there you have it. The owner of Deel is Shmulik Fishman. He is a passionate advocate for remote work, and he has built a successful company that is helping to change the way we work. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website. You can also follow Deel on social media to stay up to date on the latest news and developments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,